Hello, welcome to Cloud 24 Services. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to sign up on GitHub. That is how to create GitHub accounts. So the very first thing you want to do right now is to go straight to github.com, github.com, and of course, once it's loaded, this is the website. Of course, once it's loaded, just click sign up. So from there, um, it's going to you're going to see all of these, then just enter your email address. Email address. Um, so I'm entering mine right now. gmail.com. Okay, so do this and then click continue. It's going to ask you for your password. So I'm going to immediately create my password. Yeah. Okay, that's a strong password. So I'll just continue. So it's going to ask you for username. My username here would be, let me just use okay, let me just put Uncle Mike. Yes, Uncle Mike. Let's see if that goes. No, not available. Yeah, let me add my surname to it, Uncle Michael Cotier. So that should work. Yeah, email preferences. I'll click this, of course, and I'll continue. So it's trying to verify my account. So I'll just click this verify. So it wants me to move this object, use this arrow to rotate the object to the face the direction of the hand. The hand is pointed this way, so this object should be pointed this way too. So I'm going to use this arrow, okay, to move it in that direction. Yes, they are faced the same direction right now. So let's submit. Okay, verification is complete. So it has sent an email, sorry, a code to my email. This is it. I don't need to save. I'll just come right here, go straight to my email. Okay, there's a code sent to me. So 859-619-81. 859-619-81. Okay, so as you can see, it's asking me to, your account was created. So what is the username, or it's asking for username or email address. So I can either put in the username or email address. Remember, my username was Uncle Mike Okotie. Okay, and then the password, I'm going to supply the password right now, which is okay. So I'll just sign in. Okay, so he's asking me, he's trying to help me personalize my GitHub account, but I don't think all of these is necessary for now. So I'm just going to skip this personalization. So automatically it brings me into my GitHub account. As you can see, I just come right here, click this. So Uncle Mike Okotie. So this is how you create GitHub account. It's very easy, very simple. So that's all for now. Thank you very much. See you around.